thought I'd take a couple seconds to plug in my phone. And now I just realized that it's on loud and I need to turn it off. Hi guys, this is Connie and we're currently in my bedroom. And I thought I'd do a quick episode of Connie Reads. This I got out of a kids meal because kids meals are perfectly portioned. Yes. And you get a cute little treat with them. This one is called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. On the back, it says that it's the international bestseller. This will be fun. Alright. And there are lots of happy little illustrations. Now part of me is wishing I maybe got this memorized so I could just show you the pictures. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat-tip-toe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Side note, if it's that easy for a mouse to do it, why can't the guy in Hatchet do it? Shameless plug for the other book that I'm reading. I will currently catch up on that tomorrow. It's on the to-do list. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Lots of little things in this cave. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." It's always very clever. The first time I read this, it was almost like a rap. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. I don't even know if if I'm doing it in frame. I apologize if I'm not. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh, but wait, there's more. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear ra-ha-ha-chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. I also left you some soup in the microwave. That was beeping. Mustachio watches. I'm almost done. I think there are only like 3 or 4 pages left. You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. I was saying earlier that it sounded like it was a rap the first time I read through it, and I was like, bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Be careful with that and enjoy, please and thank you.